Today I'm going to share with you about true prosperity. True prosperity. 3 John chapter 1 verse 2. It was Apostle John talking about the prosperity that God wants us to have. He said that, "Beloved, I wish above all things you may prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prosper." It's the wish of God for us to prosper, not only in things of the world, but also be in good health and as our soul prosper. You know, some believers normally say, as long as I'm alive, then I'm well. No, you need to be alive, yes, to be healthy, prosper in all things you do, and as your soul prosper. Some people, they have money, they are healthy, but their soul is not in God. Maybe they used